7 Destroyers of Gut Health. 1. NSAIDS. Painkillers like Advil and Midol can damage the gut lining, leading to leaky gut, ulcers, and more. Sometimes these are necessary, so no judgment here, but just consider alternatives before reaching for the pill bottle. Alternatives: turmeric, omega fatty acids, and valerian root. 2. Stress. Stress can come in many forms: mental, physical, and emotional. This includes toxic relationships, work drama, overexercising, undereating, lack of sleep, etc. Chronic levels of stress destroy our gut microbiome and create gaps in the gut lining. Alternatives: mediation, deep breathing techniques, therapy, rest. Even 3 minutes a day makes a huge difference.
3. Antibiotics. Antibiotics, although sometimes necessary, kill all bacteria in the gut, even the good bacteria. This can lead to an overgrowth of harmful bacteria. Alternatives: natural antibiotics like garlic, oregano oil, and herbs. Of course, sometimes antibiotics are necessary and life-saving.
4. Refined sugar. Consuming refined sugar feeds the inflammatory bacteria in your gut, leading to an imbalanced microbiome. Alternatives: fresh fruit is best, or in small amounts can use monk fruit, stevia, raw honey, maple syrup. 5. Alcohol. Alcohol, especially if consumed in excess, can damage the gut lining and increase endotoxin production. Some research suggests that small amounts of red wine can improve your gut health, but jury is still out. Alternatives: opt for sparkling water with lemon, kombucha, or comforting tea. If drinking alcohol, then stick to a glass of red wine or cocktail without added sugar. 6. Refined grains. Refined grains are processed and stripped of most of their nutritional value, including fiber, which is the best part, and pretty much turned into straight sugar. Examples of refined grains include white bread, baked goods, cereal. Alternatives: grains in their whole, non-ground form, i.e. quinoa, rice, oats, etc. If you love bread, then go from whole sourdough options. 7. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners, such as Splenda, Equal, NutraSweet, are mostly found in diet soda and other diet products. These sweeteners negatively alter the gut microbiome and can increase your risk of digestive issues. Alternatives: natural sweeteners like monk fruit, stevia, and erythritol in small amounts.